Hey guys, when you meet someone new, whether it's at a party or a function of some kind, or you're just being introduced to them through family, one of the first questions that often happens is, what do you do for a living? What kind of job do you have? And what do we say? What's our response to that? Our default response might be, well, I'm a realtor, I'm a real estate broker, I'm a real estate agent. Snooze fest. Most everyone that you know knows 12 of the realtors. That's the new stat. Everyone you know knows 12 of the realtors. So when you say realtor, it's just like, oh, he's just like Bob the plumber, or Bob the accountant, or Bob the mechanic. Who cares? I want you to rethink how you're presenting yourself to the public and to people you're meeting for the first time. And I want you to think about, what is your unified message? What is the one thing that you want people to remember when they walk away from that meeting with you, shaking your hand for the first time? Can't be realtor, because realtor is a space that's already occupied. Somebody's already written on that space. Think of the brain as a big whiteboard, and see, somebody's already written realtor several times. Realtor, 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 realtor. It's meaningless now. You're a commodity. You're like a million other people that are realtors. I need you to find a new space, a new white space to occupy that only you occupy in this new client's mind. So let me give you some examples. Somebody says, what do you do? I might say, you know what? I specialize in riverfront and rural properties here in Southern Oregon. That's what I sell. I specialize in that. I'm also a realtor, and I really have worked in this market for about 30 years. So there you go. Now I'm a specialist in a certain segment of the market. I could also say, you know what, I specialize in helping people buy homes in the Summerfield area because it's one of the most desirable communities in our market area. There you go. I might say that. I might say, you know what, I'm a relocation specialist with my company, John L. Scott. And what I do is I help people relocate from our area to other areas of the country and vice versa. That's my specialization. You know what, I specialize in helping people find investment properties, duplexes, triplexes, fourplexes, sixplexes, and really start to diversify their wealth, not just be in the stock market, but do other things that can really build wealth for themselves and their families. Now I have conversations. People are going to say, oh, you sell rural property, you sell waterfront. I'd love to own a waterfront property. I'd love to buy a rental for the first time. I'd love to live in Summerfield. I'm going to be really highly specific, because specificity unlocks creativity. It unlocks this ability for us to have deeper conversations. Guys, if you like this idea and you like the kinds of ideas that will inspire you to take action, kind of move the needle in your business, join us over at eRealEstateCoach.com. We've got an incredible coaching program over there called the Path Performance Coaching, designed for agents just like you that need change, that want to grow their business. And we've got 20 straight weeks of coaching in there with me every single day for 20 weeks. We back that up with hundreds of downloads and 3 live coaching sessions every single week. Plus, we give you marketing assets to go out there and run on social media, postcards, flyers, all kinds of things for you to use in your market, all CANVA friendly, ready for you to personalize. Guys, check it out. We're going to give you the first 2 weeks absolutely free. Have a great day and good selling.